Yo viewers, welcome to this platform. Today's video is how to get a record deal in Nigeria. Record a couple of songs, create a nice and fantastic social media handle, write a message or an email for sending to the record label, attach the demo of your song to the email and send it to the record label and wait for response from them, right? I'm sorry, but that will never get you a record deal. So the question is, how then will you get a record deal? In this video, you're going to learn how to get a record deal if you're an aspiring artist and you're looking for a record deal. Stick around here to the end of this video and find out how exactly you can get a record deal in Nigeria. Let's go. And this probably is why you have not yet been signed to any record label. But guys, we've got good news for you. Watch this video to the end because in here, we've got solutions for you. You will probably be the next person to get a record deal with any of these top record labels in Nigeria. Find your style. To get a record deal in Nigeria, you need to be unique and original. This sure will never be an easy walk, but trust me, you've got to find your own distinctive identity and style of your music and your look. In other words, your sound and how you look are two very unique things that stands you out and makes you unique. Originality is the key factor here, and this will help you remain relevant and memorable in the minds of your viewers. Mention top 5 music artists in Nigeria and I'll show you their style of music and their outstanding looks. Shall we? Alright. Davido, Burna Boy, Rema, Asake, Wizkid. The list is endless. I mean, the list continues and continues. All of those superstars I mentioned have their unique looks and their unique style of music. They never sound like another person. Wizkid can never sound like Rema. Rema can never sound like Asake. Davido can never sound like Burna Boy. All of these people are super unique, and you can name other top superstars in Nigeria and you're gonna find their unique looks and their style of music. So you've got to get one. Get a recording studio. Record labels need you to record songs and prove yourself as a recording artist. You can't just go around looking for a record label to sign you and then you have nothing to show that you are a recording artist. You need to get into a recording studio right now, show what you're capable of, lay down great performances in all of your tracks. So, find yourself a producer and also work with a production company like ours. Keep recording. Never get to a point and feel like you've gotten enough tracks, so you should pause for a while. No. Keep on recording. By so doing, you're continuously improving your recording skills. Remember guys, every brand new day comes with a fresh and brand new vibe. So, never waste the vibe. Organize live shows. Your personal live show, a very important step every rising artist must take in order to hasten your process of getting a record deal. So you can contact us here at the Elegant Empire Music if you want more information on how to organize a live show and grab a lot of attention from top record labels. Ultimately guys, performing regularly is what you need if you want to get noticed, and this will sure improve your performance skills. So by the time you get a record deal, it's really not going to be a strenuous activity for you to get to those big stage and perform when you already have performance skills. So one of the benefits of always performing on your own live show is that this will keep you in the limelight and will help you meet some top professionals. Did you know that most of these record labels you're already chasing after for a record deal are busy sending their talent scouts to live shows and other events to go out there to hunt for new talent? You're busy going after their DM and on their emails and telling them, bros, I beg, help me, I need record deal. They are really out there sending people to go scout for talents. What do you have to do? Build yourself up. This is what this point is talking about. So you just have to build yourself up. Stop going on the DM of record labels and asking them for record deals when you can actually create something for yourself, create performances for yourself, and they will come after you. The more you perform, the better your chances to get this opportunity, because you never can tell who will be out there in the audience watching your performance. Be active on social media platforms. Record labels will always have an eye on your social media platforms. Any serious-minded artist must always be active on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. So, if you're looking to sign a record deal with any record label, then you must have a strong internet presence. And then when you're active on your social platforms, ensure to upload contents that are always engaging to your followers and always respond to their comments. Work with a manager. A good manager handles every business side of your career and helps you get signed to a good record label. A manager can be anybody. It can be your best friend or someone around you who is passionate about your rising and has good experience in the music industry. In a more professional point, a manager can be a company like us, Elegant Empire Music, who is passionate about engaging you and marketing you out there, linking you up for shows and performances, supervising your recording session, and also providing periodic training for you to grow artistically as an artist. Ultimately, the one sure thing having a manager would do for you is that it gives you and presents you on a professional note to everybody, and also helps you to appear more business-minded. Listen to me, record labels are up to sign artists who are business-minded. So guys, if you're a rising artist, I strongly recommend that you join the management of Elegant Empire Music, because we have all the professional knowledge and abilities to manage you and also to get you a record deal in no time. So guys, in conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, record labels are actually looking for business-minded artists. Artists who have done a lot of work on their own through their online presence, and artists who are consistent in making music through their unique style and sound. No record label will sign you if you only have 1 or 2 tracks and all you do is sit back and go out there every day and hunting for record labels. No, it's like chasing your shadows. You can never catch it. You can never catch it. Go around and do your own stuff, and let record labels start chasing you, and then you're gonna get the record deal you're looking for. So you believe so well in yourself that you have the talent and you can deliver if you're given the opportunities, right? So go ahead and deliver. Do something. Push yourself to a level where you are already making impact on your own. Then watch out how record labels will come chasing after you. And stop giving yourself the excuses that you do not have the ability. Stop giving yourself the excuses that you don't have the money to push yourself, you don't have the ability to push yourself. Do the little that you can on your own. Look deeply inside of you. You have the ability. The God that gave you the talent did not give you the talent and did not provide the ability. But you are refusing to use the little ability that you have. If you use that little ability that you have, you're going to make exploits on your own. You're going to create waves on your own, and you might just be lucky. A record label may just be passing down your street when you are making that impact on your own little space. Trust me, whatever it is, just do something. Just go out there and do something as an artist. And with the help with organizations like us, a management company like us, we can help you achieve a lot. Listen, on a special note, no record label is ready to spend their millions on an artist they are not sure will bring back their millions. They gotta be sure that you are gonna bring back every dime they spend in you, and even in double, before they will give you a deal. So how are they gonna be sure? Only if they can see what you are doing on your own. So it's your game, it's your game plan. Do something on your own. Grow your career on your own. Every rising star you've seen out there, everybody had to do something on their own before they got to be seen by a record label. none of them sat idle and did 1 or 2 tracks and just sat idle and start canvassing for record labels. Nobody's going to answer you. Those guys are so busy doing their thing, they will not have your attention. So guys, kindly follow all the steps I have discussed in this video, and you may just be the next artist to get a record deal in Nigeria. So don't forget to drop a comment if this video has been helpful to you. I sure know it has. And also tell us on the comment section questions and topics that you want for us to discuss in our next video. Remember, here at the Elegant Empire Music, we are always here to help you grow. See you next time. Peace out, guys.